Hello everyone, today we talk about how to resize an image without stretch it. These days most of the photographers prefer to promote their work on social medias like Instagram or Facebook, and as we know the 90% of the time we use them on our phones which are vertically oriented. That's why I wanna make this tutorial for you. Stay with me and I'll show you. For this tutorial I picked two images. The first one is an easy one and the image is made by Ruslan Asanov, and the second one it's a little bit more harder by Jeremy Doddridge. Link to their social medias in the description. Let's start with the first one. The first thing is to select the objects that we don't wanna stretch it. In these images are these two horses. If you use the new or latest version of Photoshop, you can try object selection tool to select the horses. Holding a shift key, we can select the other horse. Okay, let's expand a little bit the selection. Go to select and expand. 10 pixels are good enough. And let's save this selection. Select, save selection, name it horses. Okay, let's deselect with Ctrl Command D. Now let's crop the image to desired proportion. For Instagram 4:5 is a default image size. Don't forget to uncheck these delete cropped pixels. Have to be unchecked. We don't want to delete any pixels. And click enter. Now go to edit, content aware scale. Here also is very important in the protect drop down to select the saved selection. Okay, and let's stretch it. Okay, I think that is good. Hit enter. Let's zoom a little bit to see if we can adjust somewhere on the image. Okay, I think here a little bit. Okay, I'll pick the patch tool. Okay, I think it's good enough. This is an easy image. Let's see before and after. It's good enough. Okay, let's go to the second image. It's a little bit harder. As we see, we can't fit the people on the 4:5. In this image we will try 2:3, the harder one. Okay, let's first select the main objects. I will select it manually in this image to show you the method. I'll start with the rope. Be very careful and go close to the object. Also I wanna select and the shadow on the water. Okay. Hold the shift key and make another selection. Here also I wanna select the shadow. Okay, let's save the selection. Select, save selection, name it people. Okay, Deselect with Control Command D. Now let's crop the image. Let's try 2 by 3. I will center the image. I think it's good. Okay. Don't forget again, unchecked delete cropped pixel. Now go to Edit, Content Aware Scale. Select to protect the people. And let's stretch it. Little more. If we can't, a little more. Okay. We fit them. Great. Let's wait to transform. Let's zoom to see for some artifacts. I'll pick up patch 2 again. I think to remove this. Okay. Here we have a lot of stretched water. Also here. Good. And I think we are done. Let's see before and after. Okay, the steps. First, select the object that you don't wanna stretch it. Save the selection. Crop the image in the desired proportion. Don't forget to disable delete pixels. Go to Content Aware Scale. Protect the saved selection and stretch it. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe to my channel for more videos and see you soon.